Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from Web3 wallet to exchange in Binance. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. And by the way, if you're new to Binance, you can go ahead and click on the link below in the descriptions or in the comments for you to enjoy an exclusive lifetime 20% fee discount and $100 bonus. Now going back, just go ahead over to your assets right here at the bottom right, tap on it, and just tap on Add Funds. And in here, just go to Overview, and then tap on Add Funds. Okay. In here, let's go ahead and find On-Chain Deposit. Tap on it. Now go ahead and find USDT. Now let's say, for example, we're going to be using Tron TRC20. Tap on it. And here we have the deposit address. So just copy it. It says here, copied, go back to home. And then here you have your wallet or Web3 wallet. Just tap on it. Now in here, go to your assets at the bottom right. And then just tap on Send. Okay. Send to wallet address right here. And here, just go ahead and find USDT, type the amount, paste the copied wallet address, and just hit on continue and follow some more prompts. And once that's done, in no time, you will receive your transferred USDT from Web3 to your exchange right here. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.